Uh-oh. This isn't good. Time is it? Oh, I don't know how much on. I don't know. Sound is unbearable. Earplugs. Here they come. There's a guy on his iPad. Now, why is ours going off?
What?
Why is ours going off?
Why not? The whole building goes. The whole building.
The whole entire building?
Yes, sir.
That sucks.
You got a spontaneous combustion in 10 seconds.
So, their water heater exploded, I think, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, she told me her water heater, the whole thing exploded, so that, I hope no one died. That would stink. When all else fails, go on your iPad. Oh, she has her cat. Oh man, this is pure footage. Bigger crowd than before. Wow, this is really, really unfortunate. Oh no. Yay! It's off. Someone disabled the fire alarms. I don't know how long you're gonna be out there. There might be some major extensive damage done in the house. Yeah, it looks like everyone's going home. There's the paramedics car right there. They always have that, and then they have 2 more fire trucks cars right there. Fire trucks. Oh, fire truck. Let us look at the extensive amount of crowds, people that are here at the moment. Oh, wow. You can see the amount of people that are here at the moment. This is quite unfortunate. Oh, man. So, apparently someone's water heater exploded, and, Oh, they're coming down. Guys, this tool. It's pretty cool right there. See that? So apparently someone's water heater like exploded and there's some extensive damage done, and the fire alarm went off for like 15 minutes. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But that's fine. But there's like blasting fire alarms, but now it's off. So, but like they're gonna be. I'm not gonna record the whole thing because that's gonna be like way too much. But it's just been going on for like 45 minutes or so. About. So yeah, that's the situation. So yeah, it's just about it right there. Yeah, I don't know what there else is there to record here. I mean, yeah, wow, that's bad. It's really bad. Cool stuff in the back of the fire truck. Just focus right there. Yeah, so. Yeah, they're about to leave, so that's oh wait, no they're not. Yeah, that's everything in its max. So that's about it. Yeah, so that's it.